Look what I got right here in the mail today. Two brand new models from Sparky. Both 1/64 scale. Already did a review about this one, but it's always good to refresh your memory. We're going to start with this one, Porsche 911 GT3R Team Thailand. We got a nice picture of the car here on the side. We can see Spark Model has a website. And very important, it's an official licensed product. That is what we like. Some text, barcode, article number, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Still in the plastic. Let's open it up. Oh, we got some more text right here. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. This is a collector's item. You can see age 14 plus. Not made for kids. It's not a toy. Collector's item. Feels really heavy, by the way. That's already a good start. And I see something else I like. And you want to know what that is? Well, the antenna on top. I like that detail. Makes it very realistic. Oh, also very good rolling wheels. Very good tempo. And I like the golden side mirrors. We got a windscreen wiper mounted in the glass. Motorsport, Thailand. We got lanced headlights. Let's go to the side. Let's have a look at the interior. It's a left-hand steering, and look at the steering wheel. That is definitely an authentic racing steering wheel with all the buttons on it. If it's a racing car, we only have one seat, if I'm right. Bucket seat, yes. Maybe it's a little bit difficult to see, but yeah, there's only one seat. Let's have a look at the other side. There's also a roll cage inside. Yeah, interior is looking pretty good. I like that. And here we can have a better look at the roll cage. Really well done. Okay, let's have a look at the back. These are painted rear lights. I like the artwork on the car here on the side. Have you seen that? This is a really beautiful racing car with the Thailand flag on it. Porsche on the big spoiler. Fantastic racing car. Pirelli. Now the base, metal base. I like that. And we got slick tires. Really cool looking car. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a look at this one right here. So again, from Sparky, Lamborghini Huracan Sterato. Again, the website from Spark Model. Here some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. And Spark is located in Fürth, and that is part of the Simbadiki concern. We can see it's an official licensed product. That is what we like. Barcode, article number for the ones who are interested. Freeze the frame. Still wrapped in the plastic. Now I can get the one that I already took out of the package. Yeah, let's do that. Why not? Let's go over here. Here we got a big box from all the stuff I still have to do a review about. This is a big bag also from Simba Dicky. The goodie bag I got at the Midret Influence event. I'm going to do a review about that as well. Where I can find the Spark model, I believe it's in this giant box filled with diecast. Yes, there it is. You want to see all the other stuff that's inside? Well, it's a lot, I can tell you. Did a review about most of it. Yes, I already did a review about this one. Okay. There we go. So as you can see, already was interested in this one. So let's open this up. Again, heavy model, metal body, metal base. Yeah, really good looking car. LED light here in front. These are also lanced headlights. Good rolling wheels. Not as good as the Porsche one, but they are still good rolling wheels. And there's a spare tire here on the roof. I like that. It's the same tire they're using for the car. I always hate when they put a different looking tire on top of it. Front wheels are a little bit thin, but I haven't seen the real version, so it might be possible that the real version also have these kind of tires. Like the profile on it, some details on the metal base. Then we're going to have a look here at the back. Painted rear lights. Would be cool if it has a license plate, maybe because it's an off-road car. It doesn't have a license plate. But I always say when it has a license plate, it becomes much more realistic. Okay, here we can have a look at the inside of the car, the interior. Yeah, pretty good. And side mirrors, almost forgot about that. And windscreen wipers molded in the glass. Yeah, perfect looking vehicle. So, two new 164 Spark models that I really like. Definitely a must-have for the diecast collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and smash the like button. Click, 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 click. Have a nice day. Bye.